Ke January ke jo for a tšhelete and then as if fake is original money, it's not fake. So I gave him more to ke tšhelete ke itšea go tlhapa ka yona go na nako ngwa santse fela o tlhapa ka tšhelete. So ye le gona se ya go fa batho ke o tlhapa freely without the bodyguards. Ke Dr. Prophet Tshepo ke di 7 ne ke di 7 January today. Le tla ntshwarela le gona ke fe motho tšhelete. I'm not giving anyone even 100 rand. No one I give. This is a full cash. And then go tlhapa ka yona. Sometimes it's a time that roti tšhelete o no e tšhela ka re ga metsi wa tša ditlhare wa tša ditaelo wa tlhapa. Mara ga lena he lo ro strong a tatatše plastic ke mmona a ke na dipodikate ke e buana he lo ro nyaka e maotwana go nyela tla o tlo e tšeane jale she ke tshwere e tla. Shalom.
Hello you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salah. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video, guys. Dr. Prophet Tshepo, who is a very popular Sangoma in Limpopo province at the Bakersford small town, who was left rather embarrassed at the mall in Marble Hall after he had attempted to give ordinary people money, you guys, like he usually does, and they had declined receiving the money given by him, you guys. After seeing people declining his money while he was filming, he had to explain to them that he had just gone to the bank to take out the money and that money is actually very clean. But however, they still declined his money because most people, I would assume, they knew that there is absolutely nothing for mahala, and that, you guys, money rituals are a thing of the now, you guys, especially after social media has put it out there that there is a thing called money rituals where luck are actually exchanged. If you take those money, your luck will most probably be exchanged and it will go to Dr. Prophet Tshepo, you guys, and a bad luck or whatever is it wallow performed by this man will probably follow their lives. So people had an idea of what was going on, or rather now they starting to have idea of what is actually happening, because there is absolutely nothing for mahala. Why would Prophet Tshepo give them money while he was trending last week for someone owing him money and he took that lady's car, you guys? Now Prophet Tshepo did change his tune after people had declined taking his money, and he said to people, also trying to throw them away a bit, he said that he wasn't giving anyone money and that money will be used for his bathing rituals. All this was revealed after people had decided to decline his money advances, and here in the video that I have inserted, we see him putting that money in a bath and says that he will be performing a bathing ritual, which means that he will, according to him, by bathing with the money, he will then be enriching himself. It is a money ritual thing, you guys. Now, anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do engage it with me in the comments section. Tell me what you think about this whole situation, and of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you do share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this video. I'll see you in the next video, and may God just continue blessing you all. Bye.